Come take a look at this new 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 15 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 21 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the seats, front 40/20/40 split bench, 3-passenger, driver and front passenger manual reclining, remote keyless entry, door locks, power, differential, heavy-duty automatic locking rear axle, 3.42 ratio, heavy-duty cooling package, heavy-duty cooling, auxiliary external transmission oil cooler, heavy-duty air-to-oil, engine, Vortec 5.3L variable valve timing SV flex fuel with active fuel management, emissions override, federal, emissions, Arizona, Connecticut, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements, audio system, M/FM stereo, trailering package, heavy duty and the suspension package, handling trailering, heavy duty. Call 888-430-8589 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.